Okay, in this video we're going to look at amortizing a loan, which is breaking down each payment and seeing how much goes to principal, the amount we borrowed, and how much goes towards our interest. So in this problem, we are buying an item for $4,500. We are paying back $300 a month, and there is a 1.5% interest charge on the unpaid balance. The problem indicates that the U.S. rule is used. This is the standard rule in the United States. And what this rule states is that every time we make a payment, our payment first goes towards any interest that has accrued since the lender last heard from us. Then whatever is left will go towards the principal balance of the loan. So we are going to need to start with what our beginning balance is. Our beginning balance. We're going to make a payment. Our payment will first go towards our interest expense. Then the rest of the payment will go towards our principal reduction. And then we will have a new or ending balance. Okay, so in this problem, we start out owing $4,500. We're going to make a $300 payment. So the first thing we have to see is how much of that goes towards interest. Now again, the interest is stated as the interest on the unpaid balance, so we're just going to use the rate that we are given. So we're going to take our $4,500 balance times 1.5%, and we will owe $67.50 in interest for the first month. So when we make a $300 payment, if $67.50 goes to interest, then how much is left to go towards the principal balance of the loan? $232.50. So if we started the month owing $4,500 and now we're reducing that by $232.50, what's our new balance? It will be $4,267.50 at the end of month one. So the balance at the end of month one becomes the balance for the beginning of month two. We will again make a $300 payment. So now we take the $4,267.50 times our 1.5% finance charge, and we will owe this month $64.01 in interest. See, we owe less interest because we owed less principal, right? So if we make a $300 payment and $64.01 goes to interest, then we have $235.99 to go towards our principal balance. So if we start the month owing $4,267.50, and now we're reducing that by $235.99, our new balance is $4,031.51. So the balance at the end of month two becomes the balance for the beginning of month three, $4,031.51. We'll again make a $300 payment. And again, our money first goes towards interest. So if I take the $4,031.51 times the 1.5% rate, this month I will owe $60.47 in interest. So if I make a $300 payment and $60.47 goes to interest, then I have $239.53 left to go towards principal. So if I started the month owing $4,031.51, But now I've reduced that by $239.53. My new balance will be, let's see, $4,031.51 minus the $239.53. $4,031.51 minus 239.53 means my balance